Hi everyone, it's Diana and Sam from Toronto Platinum Realty team. So we're here with you for another video. And today the topic is, buyer FOMO. So what does that mean? Buyers' fear of missing out. And a lot of buyers, they're very reluctant to commit to one agent. So they're going on different websites, registering all kinds of places. Because they feel like their options will be limited if they just work with one agent. So why is that? Why are they going to open houses, doing all this extra work when they can just hire an agent to do everything for them?
Let us know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Like, have you, when you were looking for a home, did you catch yourself like going on multiple websites, just having to put your email and phone number on all of them, and then having all these different agents call you, or going from one open house to the other?
And 80% of buyers start their home search online.
Well, that's actually higher now. It's almost like 100% now. So that's regardless going to happen, right? But what is your strategy? Like, do you feel like if you were doing a home search, where would you start? Would you call a real estate agent or go to Google or Facebook, right? Like, where would you start? And would you rather have an agent do all of the legwork for you, or do you trust yourself more? Do you have a fear of missing out? Do you feel like if the agent is doing it for you, maybe the agent is too lazy to go look for more properties, or maybe they're just not capable or have the connections, the exclusive networks to get access to these homes. So
yeah. There's a trust issue there, right, that we're talking about, right? So a lot of buyers feel like they can't trust just one agent in finding the right properties for them.
That's right, and I don't blame them. So if you're, let us know what your thoughts are, but more importantly, subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on the notification.
Thanks for watching. Hi, if you're thinking about making a move in the next 3 to 6 months and you would like somebody from our team to help you with the purchase or sale of your home, you can just call the number below, or you can go to our website at www.torontoplatinumteam.com, and somebody from our team will reach out to discuss your plans and what the next steps will be. Thank you.